I told you guys time and time before, don't short Riot. When I said that Bitcoin was gonna shoot up, my algo actually called Bitcoin shooting up like from 16K. Now it's at $17,000, right? So my algo was right on the call, and it was not even my algo. It was more of like the weekly momentum chart. You can easily see that we were gonna break 17,000. Like I already knew we were. And I told you guys, don't short Riot. As long as Bitcoin and crypto will have a strong momentum, Riot always follows cryptocurrency. It always follows Bitcoin. So there's no reason to short it. Don't buy puts. Don't buy puts. If anything, wait for a pullback and buy calls, but don't buy puts. And you guys keep messing up because you guys keep buying puts on Riot, and it's not a good idea. Just wait for a pullback, buy calls about a month or two out, and just wait. That's all you have to do. Just wait. Crypto and Bitcoin is going to keep going up, and I feel like you guys keep messing up, and keep and want them and get so anxious to make money every day. That's the problem. You're supposed to only you know take the actual trade when it makes sense, not when you know you want to just do it just to do it, right? So there's a reason that you guys are losing money. It's because you're, for example, like Riot, I would only ever buy calls on dips. But the thing is, I would never buy puts on this because it's too risky. And for the most part, I'm 100% bullish on Riot and on crypto. So I personally would never buy puts. I would only buy calls on the dips. That's basically what I would do. But yeah, Riot's probably gonna touch $5 sometime this week. If not, I think Riot for sure is gonna touch $5 by next week Monday. So that would probably be a good play.